We all know that monetization is you joining the YouTube partnership program, which is the YPP YouTube partnership program. And before you start judging me that this is a new YouTube channel, well, this is my other channel. I have about 3 YouTube channels, and this is one of them. So before I come here to teach you anything, I make sure I write them, like the experience. I write everything before coming here to teach you guys. I have to write, jot down everything I have experienced when I was trying to grow my YouTube channel before monetization and after monetization. I have to jot down everything so that it will be very, very easy for you to grow your own YouTube channel and get monetized. Okay. So whatever I'm teaching you is from what I have written, everything from my experience. Before we dive into the main video, I am Sandy as always, and in this channel, I teach on how to grow, monetize, and scale your YouTube channel. Okay. So today I'll be teaching you quick ways to get monetized. I know a lot of people will be wondering, quick ways. Is there any quick way to get monetized on YouTube? Yes. So if you can actually follow the things I'll be showing you here in my channel. So number one on my list today is pick a profitable niche, please. When you are trying to grow your channel as an upcoming YouTuber, or you have even been on YouTube, this is one thing you should know. Picking profitable niche. A lot of people have up to 3,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, but their watch hour is not complete. Don't be surprised. That's why if you want to know some of those people, you see a lot of people having 10,000 subscribers and the person is not monetized. You want to know that person, go under the person's channel, play one of the person's video. You see that one ad is not going to run through that person's video. That's to tell you that the person has not completed his or her watch hour. But today I'll be showing you how to do that, which is number one, picking a profitable niche. So when we talk about picking a profitable niche as upcoming YouTuber, or you've been on YouTube, please try to always create videos or post videos that are likely to attract viewers, like videos that have high engagement. This is reflecting, and this is going back to my last video where I talked about video ideas you should post on your YouTube channel. You can see the way I'm smiling because I know what I'm saying. Video ideas you should post on your YouTube channel. You can watch that particular video under the comment section. The link is under the comment section. Just go to the comment section, click on the link, and it will take you to that video that I made. Video ideas you should post on your channel. So I'm talking about picking a profitable niche. Under this picking a profitable niche, I'm talking about posting videos or creating content or posting videos that has high engagement and that are likely to attract views. Videos that you will post and it will attract views. Now, if you want to know some of these videos, go to that particular video. Reaction videos, trending videos. Now, this is also taking us back. I thought in that my last video that whenever you want to pick a niche, you ask yourself whatever niche you know you can do. After that, let's say for instance, you are going into reacting to food videos or reacting to makeup videos or reacting to anything. Now, let's take instance that you are reacting to makeup videos. Go to TikTok, go to Instagram, just search trending funny makeup videos, trending funny food videos, and you see a lot of videos. Pick one of them, and please do not post content of videos that are not related to your niche. What I mean is, do not post content of videos that are not related to what you do on your channel. That's number one way you can actually grow. And number two is optimizing your videos for YouTube SEO. I know a lot of people will be wondering, optimizing. Yes, you have to optimize your videos for YouTube SEO. Please, this is very, very important. This is going to help your channel in a very long way. Optimizing your videos for YouTube SEO, one of it is use of keywords. Try to make use of keywords. This is very, very important. Making use of keywords is very, very important. And a lot of people will be saying, what keywords? Now, let me tell you, when you are posting your videos or after you have posted your videos, go to your YT Studio using Chrome or using your Google. Just type studio.youtube.com and it will open your channel for you. Now, click on that particular video twice. Tap on it twice. It will open. Then under it, use keywords. These keywords, and they are like Let's say, for example, you are into funny, reacting to funny makeup. Now, under the keyword, just put funny videos, funny makeups, comedy, funny things. Just point out keywords related to what you do or relating to whatever you do on your channel. And number two, under this optimizing of videos for SEO is your title. What's your title? I talked about it on my last video that your title can actually attract viewers to your channel. When you are about to post videos, what title do you give to your videos? Even though you have idea of title to give to your video, how do you put that title? Now let me tell you, let me make it very, very easy for you. If you're about to post video and you don't know how to put the title in a way that it is going to attract viewers, go to your Chrome or go to your Google and type generate SEO funny titles for funny makeups. You see a lot of titles. If you are reacting to funny food, also do the same thing. Generate SEO titles for funny food. It's as simple as that. Very, very simple. You see a lot of titles, just copy and paste it on your video title, and that is all. You are good to go. I'm saying this in case you are finding it difficult to compile your title together, like to make your title very, very easy to put on your videos. Now you are trying to grow your YouTube channel and you are not making use of your descriptions and your tags. Why? How do you expect your videos to be pushed forward? We all know that when you are uploading your videos on YouTube, you are going to see title, you are going to see description, you are going to see playlist, you are going to see tags. Now, after you have put your title, which I just taught you, the next thing is your description. What is this description talking about? This description is talking about you writing, describing what your video, the video you are about to post, what that video is actually talking about. Bring out points and put it there. If you cannot generate descriptions for your video, please go and download ChatGPT. It is very, very important. Or you also ask Google. Next you need to do, ask Google, tell Google. Now, if you want to make it easy, when you were asking for your title, just put it along. Just write generate SEO funny title for funny makeup with descriptions and tags, and it is going to bring you the title, descriptions that match along with that same title, and tags that match along with that same title. Now all you need to do is to copy your title, put it there, copy the descriptions, put it there, then copy the tags and put it there, and you are good to go. I'm doing this and I'm also saying this in case you are finding it difficult to compile your title, your description, and your tags. This is very, very important. This is one of the ways to grow your YouTube channel very fast. Then the last but not the least on my list here is posting consistently. I see a lot of people trying to grow on this YouTube space, and they'll just post one video today, then 3 days later they'll post another one. I don't understand. You are trying to grow, you are trying to build your audience. Post every day. If you can actually post 3 videos a day, it's fine. YouTube is going to push your videos. If YouTube sees how serious you are on your YouTube channel, they are going to push your videos a lot. That's my experience. I have experienced this. So guys, try to make sure you do all this and give me a feedback. So we have come to the end of today's video, and if you have not yet hit on the subscribe button, please kindly hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to this beautiful channel to learn a lot. And also turn on your notification bell so YouTube can always notify you whenever I post videos. Bye.